In a world where physics is all that matters, one topic rises above all others. Wave.
A wave is a disturbance that carries energy through matter or space. Matter or space. There are two kinds of waves.
Mechanical. Electromagnetic.
There's two types of mechanical waves. Transverse waves and longitudinal waves.
In a transverse wave, the particles vibrate perpendicular to the direction of the wave. For example,
In a longitudinal wave, the particles move back and forth in the same direction of the wave.
Electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are caused by fluctuations in electric and magnetic fields. They behave much like transverse mechanical waves but require no medium. Here is the electromagnetic spectrum, consisting of radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, visible light, ultraviolet light, X-rays, and gamma rays. Radio waves have the largest wavelength, and gamma rays have the smallest.
The properties of waves include amplitude.
Amplitude is 1/2 the height of the wave!
Wavelength.
Wavelength is the distance between two troughs or two crests.
Frequency.
Frequency is the amount of wavelengths that pass in a given interval.
Period.
Period, which is inversely related to frequency, is the amount of time it takes for one wavelength to pass. Crest!
A crest is the highest point of a wave.
Trough!
A trough is the lowest point of the wave.
Physics!
Damn straight.
Wave interference. Wave interference occurs when more than one wave overlaps and creates a new wave. When a crest overlaps with a crest or a trough with a trough, the resulting wave's amplitude is the sum of the amplitudes of the two separate waves. This is constructive interference. When a crest overlaps with a trough, though, the opposite occurs. The waves work against each other, and the resulting wave is smaller. One wave subtracts from the other. This is destructive interference. If two destructively interfering waves have the same amplitude, they cancel each other out completely, and there is no wave.
Reflection. A reflected wave is just a wave that bounces back from an object. One example of this is sight. Everything that you see is reflecting light waves. The law of reflection states that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The angle of incidence, the angle of reflection. Refraction. This is the bending of waves when they pass from one medium to another.
Polarization. Essentially, polarization is the filtering of waves so that only one direction is allowed. So, when a plane is polarized, the wave consists of vibrations that move back and forth in one plane. For example, polarization is what keeps the light of a laser pointer focused to a single dot and is what makes sunglasses effectively reflect light. Resonance. Resonance is the tendency of a system to oscillate or vibrate at a wider distance when the object is acted upon by certain frequencies. Now, the frequency that an object will oscillate the greatest at is also known as its natural or resonant frequency. For example, if the resonant frequency of a bridge was met, the structure would begin to vibrate, which could possibly lead to a collapse of the structure as a whole.
Noah.